Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Kilroy Realty's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kilroy Realty has shown some interesting developments this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the numbers and insights from their latest report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Kilroy Realty reported revenues of $286.4 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, up from $269 million in the same quarter last year. John, what does this tell us about their performance?
This increase in revenue indicates a strong leasing performance, which is further supported by their net income of $59.5 million or $0.50 per diluted share. Their funds from operations, a key metric for REITs, also rose to $144.9 million or $1.20 per diluted share, showcasing their ability to generate cash flow from operations.
And how does this compare to the analysts' expectations?
Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 102 cents, so Kilroy Realty's adjusted EPS of $1.20 significantly beat expectations, which is a positive indicator for investors.
Leasing and occupancy insights. Moving on to leasing and occupancy, Kilroy Realty achieved a leasing volume of 708,000 square feet in Q4, the highest since 2019. What does this mean for their portfolio?
This is a significant achievement, indicating a robust demand for their properties, particularly in the West Coast markets. Their stabilized portfolio was 82.8% occupied and 84.9% leased, showing a healthy level of tenant retention and new leasing activity.
And what about the rent changes?
GAAP rents on leases signed during the quarter increased by 3.4%, although cash rents saw a decrease of 8.6% on second-generation leasing. This suggests that while they are securing higher long-term lease rates, there might be some short-term concessions impacting cash flow.
Strategic initiatives and investments. Let's discuss Kilroy's strategic initiatives. They made a notable investment in a PropTech venture capital fund managed by Fifth Wall. How does this align with their strategy?
This investment underscores Kilroy's commitment to leveraging technology to drive efficiencies across their portfolio. It's a forward-thinking move that could enhance their operational capabilities and tenant services.
They also sold their corporate aircraft for $19.8 million. What impact does this have?
The sale resulted in a gain of approximately $6.0 million, which is a smart move to streamline operations and reallocate capital. Additionally, they repaid $403.7 million of senior unsecured notes, which strengthens their balance sheet by reducing debt.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Kilroy Realty has provided guidance for 2025. What are the key points investors should note?
For 2025, Kilroy expects NAREIT FFO to range between $3.85 and $4.05 cents per diluted share. They anticipate average full-year occupancy to be between 80% and 82%, which is slightly below current levels, reflecting potential market challenges. They also plan to invest $100 million to $200 million in development projects, indicating continued growth and expansion.
How should investors interpret this guidance?
While the occupancy guidance suggests some caution, the FFO range and development plans indicate confidence in their long-term strategy. Investors should watch how these factors play out in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kilroy Realty has delivered a strong fourth quarter with impressive leasing activity and financial performance. Their strategic initiatives and guidance for 2025 suggest a balanced approach to growth and risk management. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Kilroy Realty's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kilroy Realty's performance in the comments below. Until next time.